Welcome again. In this video, we'll talk about precedence of operation. That means if you do a calculation, how the computer is going to do that calculation. Which part of that calculation will be done first, which part will be done next, and so on. So in the one of the videos, we spoke about that. We said if you do a calculation, the brackets will be done first, then to the power will be done second, then multiplication, division, and the least one is plus and minus. So let's see how this works in actual life and in coding. So let's remove all this code. Now we don't need it, and let's now start doing some of that calculation. So if we say z equal x plus y divided by 2, what do you think the answer for this? What do you think the answer will be? So 300x plus y divided by 2. Tell me the answer, and see the answer is here. Came 400. Was it the same you expected? If it is the same, that what you did in your mind, you divided y by 2, so 200 divided by 2, 100, and you added the result of 2x. So you received that one. But if you were thinking, no, x plus y divided by 2 means 300 plus 200, 500 divided by 2, your answer will be 250. But it's not correct. 250 is not the answer, because in programming, division has a priority over addition. So the computer will look at where is the addition is there. Now, if I want the computer, if my formula says that I want x plus y to be done first, and then divided by 2. So what I can do, I can put a bracket here and a bracket here. Now, the result will come as you expected, or some of you expected, which 250, because basically here we're forcing the computer to add 300 to 200 first and then divide it by 2. I hope you understand it. But to help you understand it, maybe visually, we will go to Wolfram Alpha. Hope you know this. Wolfram Alpha is one of the expert system which can solve for you so many mathematical things. So if I come here and say x plus y divided by 2, and look at how it will write the formula. It will write the formula this way: x plus y divided by 2. So these are one thing first and then that. But if I come and force it by using bracket here, so what I'll get now, you look at the formula that will come. You will have a different formula which saying x plus y on top, and then the total divided by 2. So that's the importance of the sequence of operation or calculation. And this you apply to many other things. I hope now you understand it. The same thing if I say multiply 2. So if I say x, let's go back to this. X plus y multiplied by 2. Now you know that you need to multiply first. So that will give you 200 multiply 2, 400. You add the value to x. And that will get you the answer of 700. But if I want to add these two together and the total multiplied by 2, then you get 1000. I hope now you understood that one. There's so many examples you go with, but the important thing and the message to keep with you, remember when you do calculation, in your formula, if there is multiplication, division, or to the power, the 2 to the power will be done first, then the multiplication, division, and the least as plus or minus. If you want to force specific order of calculation, that certain things you need it to be done first, then go use bracket, because the bracket has precedence on the other type of calculation. Thank you for listening.